Hello, beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, we reach the final chapter of this colorful journey. We are about to complete this intricate mandala, a symphony of colors, lines, and soulful energy that began with a simple circle and has blossomed into something truly magical. As we move further outward into the final layers, notice how each new pattern isn't just an addition, it's a celebration. Every line, every curve, every tiny dot is a part of larger story. With every stroke of the pen, we are adding life, texture and emotion to this piece. Am I right? I hope you have subscribed the channel. The vibrant blues, fresh greens, and warm earthy tones play together like a song, weaving harmony into every space. Let your hands move with ease, let your heart guide you. You are not just finishing an artwork today, you are sealing a memory of patience, creativity, and presence. The outer rings of the mandala bring a sense of expansion like ripples moving outward in a still lake. Each design, though small, carries depth. Some hold the energy of leaves whispering in the wind, others resemble waves of the ocean or the rhythmic patterns found in nature's architecture. Take your time with every detail, savor the small spaces. The outer layers may seem wide, but it's the intricate weaving of tiny lines and dots that bring depth and richness to the mandala. Focus not on perfection, but on the beauty of your intention. As we complete the final patterns, reflect for a moment. How many breaths have we taken while creating this? How many silent thoughts, emotions, smiles have been captured within these circles? Mandala art is more than just drawing. It's meditation, it's healing, it's silent dialogue between your mind and your soul, expressed through colors and lines. In the final moments, as you add your last touches, allow yourself to feel proud. Every shade you chose, every curve you created, every minute you spent, it all matters. Art like this is timeless. It holds your energy and tells your story, even when words fall short. Look at your mandala now. It's not just beautiful, it's alive. It carries your patience, your creativity, and your energy. I hope you have liked my video. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you can receive each and every notification on time. I am attaching the links of part 1 and part 2 video in the description. So if you want to check the first two parts of the videos, please click the link in the description to check it out. Thank you so much for trusting me to guide you through this journey. If you have any doubts regarding mandala, you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely answer your questions. Even I am going to start the mandala classes. So if you want to join the mandala sessions, please let me know in comments. We will connect and discuss about the mandala sessions. If you enjoyed creating this mandala with me, don't forget to like, leave a comment sharing how this journey felt for you, and subscribe for more soulful artful experiences. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay tuned, keep creating guys.